So this is from the lower end of the property, and this fill up here will come this way more, and then from there over will get filled in. Those two culverts right there will be going here, and then it'll be a triangle. And this area here, we'll put trees and things like that in there and make it look pretty, like a park. But to get more clarity on what I just said about the triangle, it would go from this point here over to that point there, and this would stay high, and then it would drop down to this level here, about 4 foot difference, and all of that will be covered except for right there would end. And then this will all be wildlife sanctuary, which is a lot of space, so it'll be nice. We'll plant trees there and things.